everyone. Welcome back to my channel Tech Exercise and Google Cloud Platform tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss about BigQuery architecture. But before getting started, if you haven't seen my previous video where I have explained BigQuery overview, please go and watch that video. Link is in the description. Now let's get started. Introduction. BigQuery's serverless architecture decouples storage and compute and allows them to scale independently on demand. This is very different from traditional node-based cloud data warehouse solutions or on-premise massively parallel processing systems. This structure offers both immense flexibility and cost controls for customer because they don't need to keep their expensive compute resources up and running all the time. This approach also allows customers of any size to bring their data into the data warehouse and start analyzing their data using standard SQL without worrying about database operations and system engineering. Under the hood, BigQuery employs a vast set of multi-tenant services driven by low-level Google infrastructure technologies like Dremel, Colossus, Jupyter, and Borg. Borg basically orchestrates the entire cluster. Dremel is the execution engine where it runs. Mixers are nothing but the aggregators. Leaf nodes are the slots. Jupyter is basically established the network connection. Colossus is the storage, and we'll go through each of the terminology one by one. These are the technologies behind BigQuery: Dremel, Colossus, Jupyter, and Borg. Dremel. Compute is Dremel, a large multi-tenant cluster that executes SQL queries. The leaves of the tree are called slots and do the heavy lifting of reading data from storage and any necessary computation. Dremel dynamically apportions slots to queries on an as-needed basis, maintaining fairness for concurrent queries from multiple users. Dremel turns SQL queries into execution trees. The branches of the tree are mixers which perform the aggregations. A single user can get thousands of slots to run their queries. Colossus. Storage is Colossus, Google's global storage system. BigQuery leverages the columnar storage format and compression algorithm to store data in Colossus, optimized for reading large amount of structured data. Colossus also handles replication recovery when disks crash and distributed management, so there is no single point of failure. Colossus allows BigQuery users to scale to dozens of petabytes of data stored seamlessly without paying the penalty of attaching much more expensive compute resources as in traditional data warehouses. Jupyter. Compute and storage talk to each other through the petabyte Jupyter network. In between storage and compute is Shuffle, which takes advantage of Google's Jupyter network to move data extremely rapidly from one place to another. Borg. The mixers and slots are all run by Borg, which allocates hardware resources. There is a great emphasis at Google on continuously making these technologies better. BigQuery users get the benefit of continuous improvements in performance, durability, efficiency, and scalability without downtime and upgrades associated with traditional technologies. So that's all for today, guys. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching my video. Keep curious and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.